Hi, dear students. Good morning, everyone. Dear students, in the previous class, we had completed the poem, chapter number 5, that was written in March. So, students, today we will go the exercise and solve it. So, let's go. Dear students, question number 1, choose the correct options. Here, three options. We can find out which option is the correct. What is the cock doing? Flying, crowning, dozing. The answer is crowning. What is the glittering? What is glittering? Jewels, lake, sun. Answer is lake. How many cattle are grazing? 40. What is there in the fountains? Answer is life. What are selling? Clouds, ships, boats. The answer is clouds. You can put a tick mark inside the box. Next page. So students, our next number is 2. Write T for true or F for false statements. There are some statements. We can find out which statement is correct, which one is false. First, there are 40 goats feeding like one. So students, this statement is false. The sky is full of dark clouds. This is also false. You can put F. There is no snow on the mountains. This statement is true. People are working in the fields. This is also true. Blue sky prevails with small clouds sailing by. So students, this statement is also true. Then short answer questions. The students I am preparing for you, it's hard copies. You can follow the hard copies now. The first one question is, which time of the day do you think the poet is talking about? The answer is, the poet is talking about daytime. Next one, what is the flow boy doing? The answer is, the plough is hoofing. Next one, how does the poet describe the hills? The answer is, the snow has retreated and the hills are lying bare. So students, next number 2, long answer questions. What does the line, the green fields sleep in the sun, signify? The answer is, in the poem, the poet describes that the fields are loose green now as the winter has retreated. At the onset of spring, the sun is shining in the sky, and it seems that green fields are soaking the sunrise and sleeping. Next question. Describe describe the scene in the first answer. Students, the answer is, the poet describes a lively scene of the spring. The cock crows and stream is flowing. The chirping of small birds can be heard. The lake seems to be glittering because of the sunrays falling on it. The green fields are soaking the sun, and everyone, from the youngest to the oldest, is working on the fields. There are 40 cattle that are grazing together in the fields. So, next question 3. Answer the following questions with reference to the context. There are 40 feeding like one. Who is the poet referring to here? Students, the poet is referring to the cattle here. One second. Who is the poet referring to here? The answer is, the poet is referring to the cattle here. B. What does the poet mean by 40 feeding like one? The answer is, the poet means that there are a lot of cattle grazing. In the same manner, they are not raising their heads while grazing, so it seems that all of them are feeding like one. Next, bit I, 2I. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. The answer, first question. Name the poem and poet from which these lines have been taken. The answer is, you can follow the hard copies. The answer is, the lines are taken from the poem written in March by William Wordsworth. Next question. What kind of weather does the line signify? Students, the blue skies and small clouds signify spring season. Then hearts. The poet describes a clean, pollution-free weather in the poem. What do you think we should do to have such kind of environment in cities? So students, we can write, the poet describes a countryside scene. We don't see such a weather in the cities because of industries and more number of vehicles. We can, however, attain such weather by planting more trees, using public transport and pulling to work. So students, next, here my word bank, building vocabulary. There are some words, rhyming words from the poem, your own rhyming words. So first, crowning, the same rhyming word here, flying, flowing, your word blowing, glitter, Twitter, fitter. Then grazing, raising, blazing, hill, ill, mill, defeated, retreated, seated, selling, prevailing, ailing. Students, here you can see the hard copies, same. Next, learning grammar, structure is just here clue box, lazily, slowly, quickly, elegantly, honestly. First, we should chew slowly. Rama finished the exam quickly before time. Lazily, I clambered out of the bed in the morning. Students awaited the board results anxiously. Our principal dresses elegantly. So students, I hope you all are understanding the exercise. So thank you. Have a nice day for you. Stay home, safe life. Bye.